Reader's Notebook, Lesson 1, page 8. Complete subjects and predicates. The subject of a sentence tells whom or what the sentence is about. All the words that name the person or thing the sentence is about make up the complete subject. All the words that tell what the subject of the sentence is or does is the complete predicate. So let's go ahead and look here. Before we were looking at words that was just one part of the subject, the very simplest part of the subject. And then we just looked at the verb for the predicate. Now we're going to break the sentence up into two parts. So one is going to be the full subject and one is going to be the full complete predicate. Okay, so let's look at our example. It says the new pet shop. The new pet shop is what this sentence is about, just this top line. Now, what about the pet shop? It had many kinds of animals. So now we're adding all those details in. So what kind of pet shop was it? It was the new one. That's the whole complete subject, the new pet shop. Before we would have just said pet, we probably would have just said shop. But what kind of shop is it? It's the new pet shop. That's our whole complete subject. Now, what about the new pet shop? It had many kinds of animals. That is our whole complete predicate. Looking at the next one, it says a dog that was whining. Okay, if we were looking at this sentence, it says a dog that was whining became quiet when I picked him up. The sentence is about the dog, but let's put more detail into it for the complete subject. A dog that was whining. That's a lot of detail. Now we know the dog was whining. Now, what about the dog that was whining? It became quiet when I picked him up. Look at all those details. Became is our verb, what it did. The dog became quiet when I picked him up, the full complete predicate, the full complete thing of what was the subject doing. So it says here, in each sentence, we're going to use the blue to circle the subject and then the green to do the whole predicate. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to walk through this and then you are going to go ahead and do the next 12. So it says, all the pets on our block are well behaved. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the subject. So that is all the pets on our block. So here are pets. The sentence is about pets. All the pets on our block. But can we add more detail to that? It's not just the pets. It's all the pets on our block. Okay, it's not just one, it's all of them. We need to include that in our entire subject now. And then we're going to see, what about the pets on our whole block? And it says here that they are well behaved. We're going to use the rest of that sentence. Are is our verb, what it is. They are well behaved. So, all the pets on our block, that's what the sentence is about. What are they? They are well behaved, including that verb. Let's go ahead and look at the next one. It is always fun to watch them play. It is always fun to watch them play. Who or what is the sentence about? This one is tricky. It is always fun to watch them play. We're talking about a thought here, so it is our subject. And what about it? It is always fun to watch them play. It is our subject. It is something that we can do. It is also another name for like a dog or a thing. So it is what we're talking about. What about it? It is always fun to watch them play. That one is tricky. I'll do one more with you. One little dog likes to chase sticks. Oh, this one is cute. One little dog likes to chase sticks. What is the sentence about? It's about the dog, but it's not just any dog. It's one little dog And what does the one little dog like to do? He likes to chase sticks. You got it. Okay, so go ahead and read through these. Remember, find the full subject first, and then the rest of it with the verb is highly likely the predicate. Remember, it has to include the verb and what the sentence is talking about.